Good afternoon, friends. This is a unique effort on our part because the present times require teachers to engage students remotely, and for remote engagement, the one alternative that is possible is digital contact through the internet. And in this internet contact, it requires a different set of skills. Some of the teachers are familiar with these skills. Some of the teachers are not so familiar with these skills, and some of the teachers have a lot of questions to be answered in acquiring these skills. And therefore, based on our interaction with a few teachers, we identified the need of the teachers, and using this identification of the need and our plan for and identifying the needs of the teachers and locating what we feel is necessary for the teachers, we have combined both and then we have tried to design this course. We have done one program and the response for that program was very encouraging, and therefore we are now going ahead with this second program. And even in your region, Raipur, we will be doing a few more programs to accommodate all the teachers. My sincere appeal to you is that whatever tasks that are given to you, take it seriously, try to do it, and in the process you will learn and you will equip yourself. You see, in the days to come, if not online mode of education, blended mode of education is going to play a prominent role. And when it comes to blended mode of education, then we need to be good at handling the online tools, online medium, and whatever introduction initial expertise that you gain in this program, you need to continue to work on it, improve upon those skill sets, and ensure that you are able to do really well in this new environment. And along with that, you are able to keep the name and reputation of this organization, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, very high. Dear friends, you may have difficulties en route, so I suggest that two possibilities for you. You can try to have a small group amongst yourselves, the fellow colleagues, and then try to interact with each one of them. And in the process, not only you can get your doubts cleared, answered, but you can also provide an opportunity for the other person to sharpen their thinking, sharpen their ideas, correct their ideas. And in case if you and your colleagues are not able to find the answers or resolve the difficulties, you always have the assistance of our training associate, and whatever your questions are, we will try to address them. I hope that most of your questions we would be in a position to address, but by any chance if there are some questions which we are not able to address immediately, you also need to give us some time, because you need to understand that we are also gaining expertise working with these things all along. Maybe that we made a beginning a little early and therefore we know slightly more than what you people know. But at the same time, every new platform, every new skill, every new pedagogical requirement, every new context brings with it a set of new difficulties. Most of them we may be able to address, but some of them, yes, we may not be able to address immediately, but then you have to bear with us for some time, we would be able to answer all those things. So let me recap. You try to interact among yourselves and then overcome the difficulties that you have. That is the first step. And by any chance, if you cannot resolve, make use of the chat sessions that you are going to have on a regular basis. Place those questions, get the answers clarified, and in the process, you keep improving yourself. And the best certificate that you can give to us after the program is not by your words what you are going to share in the form of a feedback, but by the appreciation that you are going to get from your students, that you are going to get from your HM, VP, or principal, or the officers in the regional office, saying that yes, now you are doing really well, and that certificate we want you to have. And if you can get that certificate, we can consider ourselves to be successful. With this, though it is a belated welcome, I welcome you to this course, wish you all the best, and feel free to share any difficulties that you face as you progress along this particular course. I hope our TA Mr. Srinivasan would be able to address all the issues, and I once again welcome and wish you all the very best for the success in this course. Thank you, dear friends.
Okay, we sincerely thank our Deputy Commissioner and Director Sir for welcoming you all to the course. Anyway, this is the third day and you may be doing a lot of things. Before I start, I will just to show you certain things. The questions which you have already got it, I have made a PPT on that. We will discuss those questions. I am going to share the screen now. Okay, I'm going to share the screen now. Is it screen is visible to you? Is it screen is visible? I will do once again. Okay, you can unmute your mic and then tell whether you are seeing that Yaksha platform. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you seeing that Yaksha platform which is being shown on the screen? Are you able to see? We are able to see it? Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
Nothing is seen there.
It is visible, sir.
I will do it once again. Should be visible to you. Is it the Yaksha platform first page is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now remember that I think some of you have some confusion. You see on the left side you are having a lot of lessons. Please don't try to jump, because you see this is the first lesson, online code designing e-resources. You have to click the start. Okay. Then after everything is over, then you have to go on click this next only. Please do that. After the first one is over, you have to click the next. The video, after this video is over, you have to click next only. Don't try to go to the left hand side and do it. It will not allow you. Is it okay? Okay, it will not allow you to jump. You have to go in order only. Actually, there is a mechanism in this Yaksha portal. Okay, now this I want to just tell you, because I think yesterday some of them are telling that it is not allowing them to do it. It is not allowing you to do it because of this. Okay, well, now I will go for the PPT, where I have given some slides I have made to show you that the questions which you have asked. क्वेश्चन को मैंने अभी ट्राई कर देता हूं. Okay, the first question, is it visible to you now? Is it PPT is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once again, welcome friends. And this was the first question asked. How to remove file name permanently from display capture list of OBS. Okay. Now I am showing you a screenshot. This is a screenshot where that YouTube download. I have made one video. Okay. I have made one video, and all of you know that video when you make, first you have to give a name to it over here by pressing this plus sign. By pressing the plus sign, you have to give give a name to it. Now suppose if you want to remove it, just to put a right click. Is it visible to you? Okay.
Yes,
Okay, you have to click a right click. In that you will see remove. Are you seeing it remove? Remove is there. You have to press that remove, then automatically, or you wish to remove it and it will get removed. Is it okay? Now once again I repeat, you have to just to open that, and all the captures which you have done will be shown over here. It will be shown over here. What you have to do is right click it, and a dialog box will open. You select remove from it and then remove it. Yes, correct, then it will go. Remember, always remember, if your screen is black like this, if this screen is black like this, the meaning is nothing starts from it. That you have to remember. Okay, well, is it this question is somebody asked it, right click it, then remove it from that list. Whatever the OBS video capture you are doing, it will go and get saved in your video folder, but that folder can be changed. Okay, now question number 2, is it possible to compile PPT slides with a narration from different files? Yes, it is possible. Well, just very simple, I will just show you. Go to this slides sorter. What is the meaning of slide sorter? Whatever the slides of this particular PPT you are having, from another PPT, copy the slides and paste it over here. Very simple. Now you can make 2 PPTs into a single PPT by copying the slides from the PPT number 2 and put it in PPT number 1. It's very simple. However, it is being asked that is it possible to compile PPT slides with narration from different files? You can compile it, but that will become a single file. Is it okay? Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 3. How to compress file to reduce size and information about file size to share via email, Google Classroom, etc. Okay. Now this is actually a good question. How to compress file. A file and folder compression are entirely different. Don't get confused. A file compression is different from folder compression. File means it is having a different varieties of files. Word file, PPT file, and you are having your video is also a file, and your photo, the image is also a file. But on the website, you are having a lot of softwares to compress the files. But remember, the image files and video files, when you compress it, its quality will go. Once again I repeat, if you compress a video file and audio file and any image file, its resolution and its nature will go. Okay, another is how to compress a folder. You can zip it. Zipping is available. When you zip it, it will get reduced. Another interesting question, somebody asked how to compress a file. If you convert a file to PDF, and size will reduce. Is it okay? Then the next question is about the file size to share via email, Google and Classroom, etc. Okay, I think the particular teacher is asking. First I will answer the question about file size via email. Remember, if you are having a valid Gmail account or any account, you can send only up to maximum. Some are giving only 25 MB, some are giving only 20 MB. That is a maximum limit which you can attach and send. Suppose if you want to send any folder or file which is more than that, you have to send it through Drive, that Google Drive. I think today I think we have sent some lesson regarding Google Drive. Please go through that. In that Google Drive I have explained. In Google Drive also, remember, you are having only maximum 15 GB. That is up to free. Suppose if you pay for it, then you can have more than up to 1000 GB you can have. Therefore, the via Gmail you can send very big file also, but that will go as an attachment from your Google Drive. But remember, in your Google Drive, the maximum size allowed is 15 GB. Now another question is about Google Classroom. Whenever you are using Google Classroom, be careful. Normally what will happen, you will give the assignments to the children and you will ask the assignment to be uploaded by the children. Is it right? You will ask the children to upload your assignments. In that case, remember, the Google Classroom when you open, automatically in your drive, that is Google Drive, a folder will be opened. The folder का नाम होगा classroom. फोल्डर का नाम होगा classroom. वो फोल्डर में बच्चों लोग कितना भेजते हैं वो जाकर बैठेगा. अभी मैंने आपको पहले बताया था आपका कितना जीबी अलाउड है ड्राइव में. कैन यू आंसर?
15 GB.
हाँ देखिए
15
15 GB अलाउड है. अभी बच्चा लोग रोज रोज वो बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. आपका 15 GB खत्म हो जाएगा. खत्म होने के बाद क्या होगा, बच्चा लोग अपलोड नहीं कर पाएंगे. इसलिए था मैंने आप भी देखा होंगे, मैंने आपसे वीडियो मांग रहा हूँ और कोई भी फाइल मांग रहा हूँ, मैंने आपको उसमें 3 स्लाइड चाहिए. मुझे वीडियो जो है कितना मिनट के लिए बोला मैंने वीडियो?
2 minutes.
हाँ हाँ,
Maximum 2 minutes.
2 मिनट क्यों बोला? अरे भैया आप लोग तो 45 टीचर्स है. 45 टीचर्स मान लीजिए सबने 1-1 घंटा का पूरा महाभारत रामायण में एक वीडियो बनाया, फिर उसको मुझे अपलोड कर दिए, फिर मैं क्या करूं? फिर मेरा ड्राइव तो बस्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इसलिए आपने तो बच्चों को कुछ भी देते हैं ध्यान से दे दीजिए. ठीक है, उन लोगों से आप लेना चाहते हैं ये काम कर सकते हैं. मैं आपको दूसरा भी एक आइडिया दे देता हूं. आपने एक क्लास के लिए एक गूगल जीमेल अकाउंट खोलिए. आप कितना क्लास जाते हैं उतना जीमेल अकाउंट खोलते चलिए. फिर एक क्लास का आपका 15 GB मिल जाएगा मुफ्त में, है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल
Yes,
आई एम हैविंग ए सेपरेट जीमेल अकाउंट फॉर 12th, सेपरेट जीमेल अकाउंट फॉर 10th, सेपरेट जीमेल अकाउंट फॉर 11th. मुझे मालूम है ये तो प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा करके, बट ज़्यादा जीमेल अकाउंट आपने लेने से याद रख लीजिए, पासवर्ड बहुत याद रखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, वो भी एक प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है. वेल, मैं नेक्स्ट सवाल में जा रहा हूँ. अगेन आई रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, मैंने गूगल क्लासरूम में आपने यूज़ करना चाहते हो. ठीक है, इसमें आपका 15 GB के अंदर ही सब कुछ हो जाता है. ठीक है, 15 GB के अंदर ही सब कुछ है. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में चलूँगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन इज अपलोडिंग ऑफ फोल्डर्स इन गूगल ड्राइव. एक सवाल आज सुबह किसी ने पूछा था. याद रख लीजिए, आपने एम्प्टी फोल्डर के अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है, गूगल ड्राइव उसको नहीं लेता है. आपने कोई भी फोल्डर को अपलोड करना चाहते हैं, उसके अंदर कुछ मसाला डाल के भेजिए. आपको खाली पर्स किसी ने देता है, लेते हो क्या? हाँ, आपको किसी ने पर्स देता है, कोई खाली है कोई
No,
लेता है ना, फिर यार अंदर कुछ भर के करो. वो आपको अपलोड लेता ही नहीं है. वो आई थिंक समबडी हैज ट्राइड, आई थिंक, एंड ही इज टेलिंग मी सर अपलोड क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. वो फोल्डर बना दिया होगा, एम्प्टी फोल्डर है, वो फोल्डर के अंदर कुछ होना है, होने से ही वो आपको लेगा. ना यही मुझे तो यही सवाल मिला था. मैंने अभी शेयरिंग को स्टॉप कर देता हूँ, वापस आ जाता हूँ. नाउ यू कैन अनम्यूट योर माइक एंड यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग. You can ask. Please tell
I
your
have the
name.
first question.
Yes, madam, please. Please tell your
Sir,
name.
I
Please.
don't have a laptop right now,
Okay.
and I am completing my assignment on my phone. And
Okay,
I have also you.
Madam, actually, when you may get the laptop afterward, I think what will be the time limit? You may get it in 1 day, sir, 2 days, sir.
Sir, it will take some time, sir, for
No,
buying
how
a
much
laptop.
time it will take?
I
Because
have.
you see, really what happened, I'm telling you, one of the teacher who is having this trouble, and she changed her batch.
Okay, sir. So I am completing it by using my phone. I completed yesterday assignment also
No,
using
okay,
my phone.
but you see, in your phone, I think hot potatoes, HP5, it will be okay, but it is very
Yes, sir.
difficult.
Hot potatoes, I will not be able to use. I know that,
No,
sir.
it is there. Hot potatoes is there for app also, but it is very
Yes,
difficult
sir.
for you to make things. Okay, how much time it will take?
So maybe, sir, 10 days, maybe.
Okay, you do one thing. You do one thing. Suppose if you find it very difficult, it is not too late. You write one application to your principal and ask your principal to change your batch.
So okay, sir, or I will take someone laptop for that. It will.
That you can do. Now, suppose if you want to continue, you complete it. You complete it. Suppose if you
Yes,
feel
sir.
that, if you feel that we are
Yes,
flexible,
sir.
we are having 5 batches, and I will accommodate you
Yes,
in
sir.
some other batch as per your convenient time, where you will get your laptop and you can work nicely. If you can,
Okay, sir.
if you can manage it, and you manage it. And remember that I am not asking so many things to do. For example, even for
Yes,
hot
sir.
potatoes or anything, I will ask you to only make only one question or 2 questions maximum.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. Anybody else?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please unmute your mic, tell your name, and then you can ask question. Unmute your mic, tell your name, and you can ask question. Anybody else? Sir, any other teacher? You want to ask any doubt? And is there anybody who is facing problem in opening that Yaksh platform and then going through the contents? Because this is the first time you are using Yaksh platform. Last batch we used Google Classroom, but we want to avoid it. We want to just have our own portal, but it is designed by us, and we are
Sir, there
trying
is
to.
also
Yes, please.
there is also problem of network connection.
That is there everywhere. That is there everywhere. That network problem is there everywhere. That is actually, I think, which you are using, your, I think the place where you are staying, आपको वो network ठीक से नहीं मिल रहा है क्या?
हाँ सर, कभी-कभी रह के कट जा रहा है।
अच्छा, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, आपको क्या आपका मोबाइल से कनेक्ट करके कर रहे हो और डायरेक्ट
यस सर,
ब्रॉडबैंड है?
मोबाइल सर।
मोबाइल से कर रहे हो और मोबाइल को कंप्यूटर में कनेक्ट करके कर रहे हो?
नो सर, मोबाइल सर।
डायरेक्ट मोबाइल से?
मोबाइल है सर, मोबाइल।
वही बोल रहा हूँ मैं,
डायरेक्टली मोबाइल।
आपका डेस्कटॉप वगैरह नहीं है?
डायरेक्टली मोबाइल है सर।
अच्छा। फिर मोबाइल में तो आपका फिर वर्ड है क्या? वर्ड पावर पॉइंट है?
यस सर, इंस्टॉल किया है सर।
ठीक है। उसमें आपका मैक्सिमम kiss.com में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, गूगल फॉर्म में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, 90% प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। बट कंप्यूटर हो गया तो टाइपिंग वगैरह, सेविंग वगैरह तो आसान होता है। दैट इज व्हाई इट इज हैविंग एडवांटेज।
यस सर।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Please unmute your mic, tell your name, and you can ask a question. Yes, please. Somebody has asked a question, how to reduce the size without losing quality. For this there is one software OneNote. वो सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने से आपका साइज रिड्यूस होगा बट क्वालिटी रिड्यूस नहीं होगा। बट इवन उसमें भी एक है, वो 3 क्वालिटी पूछता है, वो हाई क्वालिटी, मीडियम और लो। आपको मीडियम लेनी है तो ठीक है, ज़्यादा आपका क्वालिटी नहीं होगा। एनीवे हम लोग जो है ना, एजुकेशन वीडियोस के लिए we are highly interested only in
Sir, once again, tell me the name. sir. Thank you.
वो तो देख लीजिए उसमें यू कैन अपलोड ये वीडियो एंड यू कैन reduce it, you can upload your audio. It is totally free. मैं आपको तो फ्री वाला ही बता रहा हूँ. You can reduce the size in online also. There are so many softwares available, but they will be having a limit of the size. Anybody wants to? कोई बोलना चाह रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
Anybody wants to ask any question?
No, sir.
कोई सवाल है तो बोलिए.
No question, sir.
No question. Okay. Now remember that every day there will be one assignment because we are having 5 batches except Sunday. Vandana Singh madam, you want to present something? Okay, well. Except Sunday you will get quiz and assignment on every day. Therefore this week we are having 6 days. From Monday to Saturday you will be getting your quiz and assignments, and there won't be any quiz and assignment on Sunday. Again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you will get the remaining quiz and assignments, and by Wednesday we will wind up. But you will get some more time for you to complete the assignments. Next Wednesday, that is 8th, will not be the last day. You will get 2 or 3 more days for completing your assignments. But don't lose your temper, because आपने तो एकदम करते जाने से तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा आपका, है ना. थोड़ा हर दिन को 3-3 उसको अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ कुछ लोग क्विज में बिना दे करके तो अटेंड कर रहे लग रहा है शायद, इसलिए आई थिंक यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट मैक्सिमम 7 or 8 marks out of 10. Some are getting very below 6, some of you are getting, but ये याद रख लीजिए, वो वीडियोस को एक बार देख लीजिए. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम द वीडियोस ओनली. बाहर से कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं, आउट ऑफ सिलेबस नहीं है, सबके सिलेबस के अंदर ही है. ठीक है, वो पूरा क्विज के अंदर ही है. क्विज को थोड़ा ध्यान से देख लीजिए. And suppose if you are doing any work, you can keep the video by your side and you can do it also. These videos can be played on YouTube also, because YouTube videos are all that. I think Vandana Singh is getting 10 out of 10. I am getting, some of them are getting 10 out of 10. But I want everybody to get minimum 8, because 1 or 2 mistakes you will make. By हरी भरी में तो कर देते हैं, है ना, because attempt is only 1. I have made attempt only 1. Suppose 2 attempt 3 attempt हो गया तो आपने फिर आकर के फिर everybody will get 10 out of 10. और मैंने आपको ये कर दिया. और remaining mathematics teachers, those who are there, suppose if you find very difficulty in typing mathematics equation, I understand. Therefore in that case you just reduce it to only 3 questions to 4 questions in any quiz or something, which you just ask general one. If you find it very difficult to type mathematics equations, because in Google form it is not easy to type mathematics equation, but in quiz.com it is easy. In quiz.com they have added now, in the new one version they have added, you can type mathematics equations. Because they are using 2 versions. Windows, that is MS Office, is using equation editor, but this Google and the remaining people, Linux and all, they are using LaTeX. There is a slight difference. When you type it in equation editor, if you copy it and paste it, it won't get pasted. It cannot recognize it. It's a problem. Anybody facing problem in uploading or making? Any problem you are facing, you can tell. Yeah. Because it will help the next batch of teachers, so that we can that's why बोला ना मैंने अभी आपको, तो इतना लोग कर रहे हैं तो सेकंड वाला भी तो मैक्सिमम 35 लोग अपलोड कर चुके हैं. आउट ऑफ 40 आई थिंक मैक्सिमम 5 लोग ही सेकंड वाला में बाकी है. आउट ऑफ 46, 41 ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड. अभी थर्ड वन भी अपलोड करने लगे आप लोग, मैक्सिमम 15-20 लोग ऑलरेडी कर लिए. Okay, if there is no other doubt, then we'll call it a day today. Can we wind up?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam, please. May I check?
Sir.
Please tell your
Yes,
name.
sir. This is Minakshi from KV Bilaspur.
Okay, thank you, madam. Boliye, madam.
Sir, can you please suggest any software to do the mathematics work, like typing in on?
No,
That will be easy for us.
typing. I think you are using your MS Word, na?
Yes, sir.
It is there, na? Equation editor is there. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Equation editor is the best one for Word and PowerPoint. You know it, or you want me to just tell you?
No,
You know
sir.
how to-
Basically, I'm doing with the equations and all. I'm comfortable with it. So I'm just want to know, is there any software so that we can write it easily?
No. Software is not done. LaTeX is actually, they are telling it is very easy.
Okay.
I have used LaTeX also, and you can, that is actually totally free in the web. But the main problem is all of us are totally using this MS Word, MS Office so long. Suppose you see,
Yes.
for making question papers and all, we are using only MS Word. But we are used to that. But MS Word is also user friendly, where square root, then equation 1 by fractions, then inside your square root, then matrix, everything will come very quickly in MS Word. But the main thing is, suppose whenever you are using other than MS Office, आपने तो वर्ड के अलावा, आपने पावर पॉइंट के अलावा अब दूसरा जगह पर आपने कुछ इक्वेशन टाइप करना चाहते हो, ये इक्वेशन एडिटर उधर काम नहीं करेगा.
Okay, sir.
बिकॉज लैटेक्स काम करेगा उधर, बट लैटेक्स के लिए ज़्यादा आपको प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, ये आसान नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Yes.
बिकॉज कोडिंग है उसमें.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, madam, thank you. If there is no other queries, we will call it a day, so that you can go and relax. Any other query?
No, sir.
Okay, ji. Okay, 1 minute. Sunita. Sunita, madam, you have joined now. You have any question? Sunita?
Sunita.
Sunita Gawa.
Yes, sir.
You have any query?
Yes.
Yes, madam. Suniti. Okay.
Sir, I have posted my queries. There
But is it answered?
regarding.
Is it answered?
Sir, I have just reached to home and I
Okay.
haven't seen.
I think your query was with respect to that file size, or what was the query?
Yes, sir. How to compress so that we can attach it with mail or some. We can share the file.
Okay, madam. I think I have answered it. Anyway, for your convenience, I will answer it once again. Remember,
Yes,
file can be compressed, folder can be compressed, but both are entirely different. Compressing a file means a file is a Word file, or it may be a PowerPoint presentation, or it may be a video file, or it may be an image file, and so on. For that, there are softwares available in the net. You can compress it. Is it okay? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you,
For
sir.
folder compression also, there are softwares available on the net. But be careful. Whenever anything free available, they will have limit also. Suppose you cannot compress a file which is very big, which you go beyond certain GB or beyond certain MB. When you want to compress, or when you want to make a Word file very small, you can convert it into a PDF. When you want to make a folder small, you can zip it by using WinRAR or RAR. WinZip or RAR, .RAR.
Okay, sir.
By using it, you can compress it.
Okay, sir. Sir, one.
Okay, please.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
One more thing I want to ask.
Yes, madam, please.
Sir, screen recording we did in PPT, means narration we did in PPT.
Okay.
So can we compile different slide having different slides as we are telling student to record it? So
Yes,
can we
madam. That's
have
really
one
nice.
PPT with?
One PPT with another PPT, simply open. For example, if you are having two PPTs which you want to merge, that you want to know?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you open both the PPTs. you first PPT you open, go to the slide sorter.
Okay.
There is one slide sorter is there at the bottom. From the second
Yes.
PPT you copy all the slides and put it in the first slide. Copy it, copy and paste. Go to the slide,
Okay, sir.
go to the
Thank you.
slide sorter, and you can do it. You can combine any number of PPTs you can make, but normally suppose if you want to keep the PPTs separately, what you can do is you can give a link from one PPT to other PPT. मैंने हाइपरलिंक के बारे में बताया था आपको, वो हाइपरलिंक कैन बी गिवन टू ए पीपीटी आल्सो. ये पीपीटी से दूसरा पीपीटी को जंप करेगा, वो क्लिक कर दिया तो. It depends on you whether you make it into a
Yes,
single
thank
one
you, sir.
or keep it two separately and give a link to them. That is also possible. But always remember narration हो
Thank
गया
you,
तो
sir.
फिर फाइल का साइज बढ़ते जाएगा, ये भी याद रख लीजिए.
जी जी.
नरेशन हो गया तो फिर फाइल का वजन बढ़ते जाएगा.
जी sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, anything else?
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam, please.
Sir, yeah, this PPT when we change it in video, now
Okay,
then
okay.
we have two videos and we want to merge it. Then we can merge it by using any other software. There
Yes,
are various
madam. Yes,
software.
madam. Yes, there are softwares are there. We can use.
To merge those videos in one
Yes,
video.
you can. You can. OneNote is one of the software where you can have maximum how many tracks are there. All the tracks can be merged into a single one. And
Yes.
window, you can use Window Movie Maker also.
Windows Movie Maker.
Yes, in Windows Movie Maker, it will ask you, go there, it is actually very user friendly. It will ask
Okay,
you to download, and you have to download all of them in that, and you can merge it. You can merge it.
Thank you, sir.
Merging up is not a problem.
Thank you, sir.
But always remember, whenever you are giving any video to the children, please see that it is not going beyond 20 or 30 minutes. The children
Okay.
will lose patience.
Yes, sir.
They will see only शोले मूवी 3 घंटा लाने से भी बैठ कर देखेगा. बट आपने तो कोई भी वीडियो दे दो 40 मिनट का नहीं देखेगा.
Yes, sir.
Therefore always educational video should not go beyond maximum 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Maximum 30. Any other queries?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. We are very grateful, sir, that you have made such interesting videos and interesting way you make us understand. Thank you, sir, very much.
Okay, madam, thank you. You use it, you make the sheets and then use it in your online teaching. That is actually our aim. So that it is very easy for you to engage the children. That is very important nowadays. Because they are getting distracted very easily when you are going online. Controlling them is very difficult. Classroom situation is entirely different. This is entirely different. Okay, friends. I think as there is no other queries, we will call it a day. Thank you very much. And we will be having one more maybe in the this weekend or by next Monday. We will try to have one more video interactive session like this, so that please no need to wait up to that. If you have any queries at any time, and you can send your WhatsApp, or you can send a mail also, so that I am ready to answer all your doubts. Thank you, friends.
Okay,
I am
sir.
calling it a day.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.